In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Steam not detecting your controller. This is a common problem that can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it in just a few minutes. Let's dive into these troubleshooting steps and get your controller back in action. First off, we need to open the Run app on your computer. If you're not familiar with it, you can easily access it by pressing the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. Once you've done that, a small window will pop up at the bottom left of your screen. In this window, you'll want to type in Joyd and then click OK. This will open the Game Controllers window, where you can see a list of all the controllers currently connected to your computer. Here, you should check if your controller is showing up in the list. If it is, great. If not, there could be an issue with the controller itself or the connection. Assuming your controller doesn't show up, the next step is to check a few things in Steam. Log into your Steam account and click on the Steam menu in the top left corner, then select Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll want to navigate to the Controller tab. Here, you'll see an option to enable support for your specific controller type. Make sure this option is enabled. This ensures that Steam recognizes your controller and can communicate with it properly. If enabling the controller support in Steam hasn't resolved the issue, the next step is to try restarting Steam. To do this effectively, exit out of Steam completely. After that, open your task manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ES key, find Steam in the list, right click on it, and then choose End Task. Once you've done that, you can reopen Steam. This time, when you launch it, simply search for Steam in your desktop search bar. When it appears, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Running Steam as an administrator can sometimes resolve permission-related issues that might prevent your controller from being detected. Finally, if after all these steps your controller still isn't detected, it's worth checking your system's device manager for any clues. You can open the control panel and click on Device Manager. In the list, locate your controller and verify if it's being detected and working properly. Sometimes updating the drivers for your controller through Device Manager can solve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Steam not detecting your controller. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you still encounter issues, it may be worthwhile to try a different USB port or use a wired connection if you're using a wireless controller. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.